JLA has spent 50 years planning, developing and delivering energy-smart care homes across the UK and Ireland. If you're thinking about an upgrade or install to your kitchen, this guide covers what you need to know to save time, reduce energy use, and cut the risk of accidents. The most effective kitchens are optimized for 5 activities: storage, preparation, cooking, serving, and cleaning. Let's start with delivery and storage. An accessible entry point will make deliveries simpler for everyone, but for maximum ease, you should also place your storage nearby. Choosing the right cool storage is vital too, as fridges alone will account for a large proportion of your kitchen's energy use. A precision-controlled Williams system will keep stock cool, cost-effectively, thanks to a unique internal airflow design and high-density insulation. In your prep area, you'll need separate spaces for different types of food to minimize cross-contamination. In the same way, using zoned equipment will help to keep your kitchen safe and compliant. At the heart of your kitchen is the cook area. Your equipment here should sit next to the prep area to minimize staff traffic. Kitchen space usually comes at a premium, so an all-in-one solution like MKN's Combi Oven is a safe choice. Triple glazed to keep your oven hot and your kitchen cooler, these units use steam and dry heat to produce fresher, tastier food. Meanwhile, powerful induction cooktops will reduce wasted energy by heating the pan instead of the area beneath it. Another essential piece of equipment is a ventilation system. This removes cooking fumes plus replaces hot air with cool, clean air. A bespoke solution will create a safer and cooler workplace environment. With everything cooked, a heated serving area is an efficient, stress-free way to keep food warm, even as you serve lots of residents. And when you're ready to clean up, Hobart's RAS-approved Cat 5 dishwashers are more than up to the job. With optional double tray space available, you'll get through dirty dishes twice as fast. That's our quick guide to dedicated areas and strategic equipment placement for a safer, more productive kitchen. To see how we could make your care home kitchen more efficient, please contact us today.